So what's going on? It's Kyle here with this first video. My full BMX bike check right here. Let's get into it. Here I have my 2016 Fit Pledge. Got it last year, this time for my birthday. And to start off, the frame is Fit Pledge. Got a few scratches on here. Tires, both original tires fit 20 inches. The rims 20 inch, of course. Both chrome, original. We have a sticker here with the Fit logo with FBC for Fit Bike Co. Here's another sticker, Fit BMX. The Pledge. The seat, a little worn here, hard. As you hear, it's like a rock. The original seat. I don't usually sit on it, so doesn't care if it's not comfy or anything. Here's the stem, which is original. It's kind of rusty. Everything on this bike is original. Came on it when I got it, except for these grips and these bars. The bars are fit still, but they're Brandon Began 9-inch Rise scumbag bars, the signature bars, and the grips are fit too, but not the original ones. The Fit Pledge. Brake cable is different because that got ripped off from doing bar spins. The brake lever different because that broke when I fell a lot of times. That's broke. Two of them down. Different brake pads. I'm a street kind of guy, but I don't know if I like riding. I like brakes, but I want to be able to do whips and bar spins. I don't like gyros because I just don't like brakes, even though they help going down hills, bombing hills. And that will be coming to the channel soon, but this is my bike. On the other side, we got a 25 tooth sprocket with a chrome chain, 3-piece cranks, chrome both sides, metal pedals, which I do not recommend because you take shins and they're going deep and you're bleeding a lot. I've had these for a couple years here on my old bike, and I broke my plastic ones that came with this bike, so I put these on. I'll be showing you, I'm getting new parts, new tires, a new back rim, because I'm missing 7 spokes. Don't know how I broke all of them, but missing. And maybe a new front, because it rattles, and new pedals, grips, and sometimes a seat, brake lever. I have pegs here, but as you can see, they're metal and they're blue, which kind of don't match the bike. So I'd have to get like black for to match the stem and the seat, or I don't know, maybe black. Plastic ones too. And I have grips here, but they get dirty easily, which I don't like because they're supposed to like match, but like black stuff in them, and I don't like that. And then on the other side, we have an LZ BMX sticker that I got with one of my orders for Christmas. I just put that on, looks fresh, goes with the 2 other stickers on the bike. That's about it for my bike check here, guys. I'm going to put a couple clips in here of my bike looking fresh, some of the stickers and the scumbag on the front that I think really looks good. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and peace.